Good morning, guys. I hope you're having an awesome day. Today is extremely exciting because we are taking the McLaren to the drag strip. I've had this G65 for the last couple days, courtesy of Amir at the Car Biz on YouTube, but we're gonna give it back and trade it for the E63 because my sister is gonna be drag racing the E-Class. You excited?
Yeah.
E-Class versus 600 LT. Let's do it. Well, that was an underwhelming tunnel run without the straight piped exhaust, and I just realized it doesn't have automatic windows. You have to actually hold the button for the windows to go up, which is like a feature that's present on like every car ever. Pulling up to Amir's house, and there's the E63. Dropped off the G65, picked up the E63. Time to head out. It's time to bring out the McLaren and get it warmed up for the drag races. My boys are coming over in about 20 minutes. It's gonna be another fun trip. Hello, hello. Tire still holding air, that is a plus. Finally got my appointment booked for a full SunTech protective film, so there's no more worry about rock chips. Now, my one concern about driving the 600 LT on the track is the fact that it's rear wheel drive and the tires take so much time to warm up in order to provide proper grip. When they're not warm, they spin quite heavily. And given the fact that the tread depth is almost nothing and the wear rating is only 50, doing burnouts in these tires in the burnout box will roast them in like one session at the strip. We still might have to send some burnouts though. My sis is gonna be rocking the E63. Hopefully we can get a little heads up drag race between the two cars. That would be sick. Got my helmet, got my fire extinguisher, and got some GoPros in the backpack. James pulling up. The squad rolling up. It's the GTR! Nice GTR, bro.
Drag guys pulling up.
Big drag guys over here. What's good? We got the whole crew. What up, Chris? Oh,
what up?
Leaving me hanging.
Oh, sorry.
Big kombucha guy over here. What's good? Ready for the drags? I know you're ready. You still have the freaking numbers on your car. What's that about? All right, let's roll. James looks at this sign and just goes, look, it's the Wizard of Bras. That's hilarious.
I'm dying. Bro, he's been the wizard since...
Yeah, since 1975, damn.
Welcome to Pomona.
Welcome to the drag.
You a drag guy?
Yeah, you a big drag guy over there? You huge drag guys.
First time.
Okay,
Oh.
all right.
Oh.
On the way to the track now, we're only a couple minutes away. And as I was saying, I'm a little bit stressed about the fact that it's rear wheel drive and I can't figure out for the life of me how to do a burnout in this car. I've tried every single different mode. He can attest with traction control all the way off, brake stands, trying to go into launch control with traction control all the way off, and it will not do a burnout. So there's really no way to warm up the tires, which is not gonna be good for launching, but we're gonna try it out. Hopefully all goes well. Check this thing out, slammed SQ5, that looks badass. Just pulled up, went through tech inspection. They checked my helmet this time to make sure it was Snell approved, so I'm glad I got the right helmet. Unfortunately, I really want to race. It looks like there's two 488s over there, but I guess one guy didn't bring a helmet. But a 488 versus 600 LT showdown would be sick. Got less than a quarter tank of gas, which is perfect for weight savings. All right, so I'm about to run my sister. She's gonna be in the E63. We're gonna show her, remind her how launch control works, because it's been a little while. All right, so first put it in drive just to test it out. It's gotta be in drive. Then here is the dynamic mode selector. So pull that back so you see race mode with the flag, perfect. Then all you do is floor the brake all the way, floor the gas all the way.
Yeah.
All right, let off, yep,
Okay.
Perfect. And then you let off the brake and it's good.
Cool. So how long can it stay in that mode?
Like 5 seconds or something. So when you see the staging lights go on your side, stage first, then they'll stage. And as soon as you see the first yellow, just put it in a launch control.
Do I take off traction control or does
Nope.
it do it for
No, it's already good. Yeah. Well, this is exciting. Brother-sister drag racing.
Yeah.
Let's freaking do this. Good luck. Be safe, please. Please.
Will do.
For many, many reasons, obviously. Your safety first, but then this beautiful Mercedes, I just love her so much.
It'll be okay.
All right, good. All right, let's do a little walk through the staging area, see what kind of cars we got at today's drag event. Looks like we've got the Trackhawk again. I really want to watch this thing run. He's got some serious meat on those tires. With the all-wheel drive, it launches so hard. I drove the 1,000 horsepower Hennessy Trackhawk, and even that was able to grip. Tesla Model 3 at the drag strip. Another Dodge Demon. This is a sick color. Wow, that is a sick color M5. I love that. WiseTech C63. What up? These SVT Lightnings are pretty cool. To my knowledge, now I could be wrong, I believe they actually have the same motor, the 5.4 liter V8 that they put in the first generation of the modern generation, the 05, 06 Ford GTs. Rolls-Royce Ghost of the strip. Check this thing out, guys. I hope this is running today. That is badass. This Camaro is about to make a pass. That had to be the loudest car I have ever heard in my entire life. The entire ground shook. It shot shit everywhere. Holy crap. Oh, and just like that, we gotta go. That stock car was the loudest thing ever.
Stock?
I think it's called the stock car. What was that?
My ears hurt so bad.
I know, my ears hurt too. I'm trying to film and I couldn't plug my ears and film at the same time. That was nuts.
Yeah, I know. I was like
I feel
this.
deaf.
I was like...
Are you ready to run?
Yeah.
Let's freaking do this. I'm excited. I'm excited. I just talked to a guy who has that beautiful colored first edition F90 M5, and he actually ran stock a 7 flat at 102. That is impressive. Said he's spinning a little bit today, which concerns me a little bit because this car's all-wheel drive, and this is not. Guess we'll see. My tire temperature is just not even close. You'll be good though. All-wheel drive life.
Okay, so they pulled us forward and I am currently behind Parker right now in the McLaren. And now hopefully we're going to stage together so that we can race. Because I don't have a helmet and they're gonna realize that the car is too fast and that I need a helmet. So we're trying to do the first race because you get a free race for it. So yeah, I guess that's the tea.
It's been like 10 minutes and my ears are still ringing from that Camaro. Unfortunately, he didn't make a full pass. He shut it down like halfway through. I don't know if they were just testing and didn't want to show an ET or what, or if there was an issue, but holy crap, did that thing launch quickly. I believe they were saying it runs something like in the 4s. That's nuts.
Okay, we're moving. It's happening. And they're totally gonna bust me for a helmet violation. And this guy just stepped in front of me, which wasn't cool. And I'm mad about it. I'm actually kind of nervous, guys.
Alrighty.
Traction off the line. That's disappointing. Woo! I think I beat him. I'm not really sure what happened. Holy shit!
Oh man, I kind of figured that was gonna happen, but that was worse than expected for sure. Damn.
This car is so fast. Ah!
Yeah, that was brutal. It was a long wait for that crappy run, but that's drag racing, I guess. Well, my trap speed was a lot higher than the Mercedes, 105.8 miles an hour compared to 100, but I ran a 7.6, which is, that is garbage.
To all the vehicle virginesses, vehicle virgins. Okay, he's clearly got to come up with some sort of fan thing, but anyways, I would just like to say that I'm the big cheese and Parker lost. That is all.
So I basically ran into 3 different problems on that run. The first off is you can't go around the water pit. In a lot of tracks, there's space to go around the water pit. Because my car can't do a burnout, going through the water just makes it disastrous off the line. The second problem is, well, it can't do a burnout. I've tried absolutely everything, traction control off, doing a launch, just doing a brake stand, and the car will not do a burnout. I just met this guy, Leon, who's got a badass tuned 570S. He said he was only able to do a burnout when he actually tied the car down with straps, which that'd be a pretty interesting technique. And the third problem is the tires. The Trofeo Rs take so much time to heat up all the way. I think if I was on Cup 2s, I would do a lot better. But we're gonna try this time. I think I'm not gonna run launch control. I'm just gonna floor it off the line because building up boost, it's just gonna have too much wheel spin. Holy crap. My boy Alex in his M3 is about to run again. Let's see what happens. So this is about to be interesting. I'm sandwiched between 2 488s, one in this beautiful chrome blue color and a yellow one behind that. They ran about the same time. I guess rear-wheel drive cars today are having an issue with wheel spin, especially exotics where it's hard to actually do a burnout at the get-go. We'll see who's faster. All right, we are about to run against a 488. I'm incredibly excited. The guys are actually super, super cool, from Russia, own a couple different companies. One is actually a vlogger, does business related stuff, so hopefully we can link up in the future. The guys rented these cars to take to the strip. I'm excited. Honestly, my strategy is to not put it in launch control. I'm just going to floor it from a standstill and see what goes on. Yeah, the car is not good on this track. I gotta figure out how to do a burnout, really. All right, here we go. We just showed up. I'm in track mode, automatic. I'm just gonna punch it and see what happens. This should be a really close race if we both get a good launch. Terrible launch. That's disappointing. That is disappointing. Yeah, the car just will not get traction. New tires, we'll fix it. Yeah, I mean, that was worse than the last one. He ran a 7.63 and I ran a 7.83. That is garbage, but I had a higher trap speed, 105 miles an hour to his 103. Obviously not the result I was hoping for, but I had a blast nonetheless. I definitely got a lot of work to do with drag racing the 600 LT. I think with some better tires and a different track where I can go around the water pit, and then if I can figure out how to do a burnout. Seriously, if you guys know how to do a burnout in a 570S or a 600 LT, please let me know, because that would make a massive difference. Basically, I wasn't really able to launch the car. Had a slightly higher trap speed by 2 miles an hour than the Ferrari, but the Ferrari did take the cake. Back at the house now. You kicked my butt fair and square. Good for you. I'm proud of you. Freaking,
thanks.
Yeah, you did really, really good. Good reaction time too.
Yeah.
Obviously not the results I was hoping for, but it does mean there is a lot of room for improvement. A bunch of things I need to test out, especially burnouts, new tires, and well, I just gotta get used to the car more. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like always, please browse the channel and subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.